Hello viewers, you're watching watchchannel.tk YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Casio Tough Solar watch. It's a analog digital combination watch and it's a unisex watch, and you can see the dial. It's in the combination of silver and orange. This is the close-up of the dial. Casio 5 alarm, water resist, 100 meter, and it's a tough solar watch. And you can see there's a digital function and also the analog. Pretty attractive dial, and it's a sports digital watch. It's resin strap and its quality is pretty good. This is the backside of the dial. Casio, the model number, stainless steel, Japan moment, and the model of this watch is AQ-S810W-8AV Casio Japan Tough solar powered, and it comes with wall time, 5 alarm, timer, stopwatch, and also the LED light. Casio Japan. So viewers, it's a pretty attractive watch. And there are 2 buttons on the left and 2 buttons on the right. So this is a mode button, adjust button, and this is a light and the search button. So with this mode button, when you will press, so it will display all the functions, all the digital functions available in this watch. So right now you're seeing the time, wall time, alarm, timer, stopwatch. This is the time. So these are all the digital functions. Right now it's showing Karachi time and different countries' time. Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Adelaide, Sydney, Wellington. So with this button you can change the time, the wall time, and also the alarm and timer and stopwatch. So stopwatch is in action, and with this button you can pause it, and with this button you can reset it. So this watch comes with the manual and the warranty card. So in the manual, all the digital functions and the features and how you can set them, you can find it in the manual. So these are the digital functions, and this is the light function. So viewers, this is solar powered watch, so you can easily charge this watch in the sunlight. We will try this watch on the wrist, and also we will check the weight and the diameter of the round dial, this round dial. So first of all, we will try this watch on the wrist and see how it looks. So viewers, this is how it will look on the wrist. It's a lightweight watch, and the dial and the design, it gives you a sporty look. It's pretty lightweight, easy on the wrist, and the dial is very attractive, and the combination of orange and the gray. So viewers, will check the weight of the watch. It will be less than 50 grams. So let's see and find out what is the weight of this watch. So viewers, will check the weight in gram. So the weight of the watch is 43 gram, approximately 43 gram. So the weight is less than 50 gram. So it's pretty lightweight. And we will check the diameter of the watch. So we'll check the diameter of the watch in millimeter. So viewers, the diameter of the watch is around 46.8 mm. 46.8 mm. And thickness is around 11.5 mm. 11.5 mm. So viewers, you can order this watch in Pakistan from watchcenter.pk, our online store. Cash on delivery is available in Pakistan. For international customers, you can order this watch. Given link in the description. So just click on the link and you can order this watch if you're not in Pakistan. And also you can order this watch and get more information on our WhatsApp number 031022333484. And viewers, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notification of Casio watches, reviews and special promotions. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching the video.